In this video, you'll learn how to use Cursor.Ai in VS Code, from installing the extension to getting it ready for everyday use in your editor. Whether you're brand new to AI tools or just adding another one to your workflow, we'll walk through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own machine. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need Visual Studio Code open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch it now. You can open it from your Applications menu, your taskbar, or however you normally start VS Code. Once it's open, make sure you're on the main window where you can see your files, the sidebar, and the top menu. Next, we want to get to the Extensions panel because that's where we'll find and install Cursor.Ai. In VS Code, the Extensions panel is available in a couple of ways. On the left-hand side, you should see a vertical toolbar with icons. Look for the one that looks like small building blocks or squares stacked together. Click that icon to open the Extensions view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and X together on your keyboard. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus X. On most systems, that will instantly bring up the Extensions panel, even if you're in the middle of editing a file. Once you press it, you should see a new area open where you can browse, search, and manage your extensions. With the Extensions panel open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click into that search field and type Cursor.Ai. As you type, VS Code will start showing matching extensions below. Look for the extension named Cursor.Ai. It should have a clear label and an install button next to it. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct extension, not something with a similar name. When you've confirmed you found the right one, click the install button. VS Code will begin downloading and installing the extension for you. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection. You'll usually see a small progress indicator, and when it's finished, the button will change from install to something like uninstall or manage. That's how you know the extension is now installed and ready. After installation, the next step is to open the Cursor.Ai sidebar. Many extensions add their own icon to the activity bar on the left side of VS Code. Take a look at that sidebar again and look for a new icon related to Cursor.Ai. When you find it, click on it. This will open the dedicated Cursor.Ai panel or sidebar where most of the interaction with the tool will happen. If you're not seeing the icon right away, try closing and reopening VS Code, or just wait a couple of seconds after installation. Sometimes the interface needs a moment to update. Once the Cursor.Ai sidebar is open, you'll need to sign in with your Cursor account so the extension can connect to the service and enable all of its features. Inside the sidebar, there should be a sign in or login button. Click that and a sign in window or browser tab will appear. Here, enter the credentials you normally use for your Cursor account. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the sign-in process. When you're done, return to VS Code and confirm that the sidebar now recognizes that you're signed in. You might see your account status or a message indicating you're connected. At this point, Cursor.Ai is installed, the sidebar is open, and your account is signed in, so you're ready to start exploring what it can do inside VS Code.